So in today's class, we are discussing about the second section of our general topics. Okay. So hope you are able to see my screen. We can discuss what we can discuss about today. Okay. We can begin from circles. Okay. We can begin from circles. It is a circle. Okay. So inside the circle, there is angle, right? Inside the circle, there will be angle. What is the unit of angle? Unit of angle. Unit of angle is degree, right? Unit of angle is degree. Degree is the unit of angle, or it is also known as that is radian. You can call it as radian also. Radian, that is another unit of angle. Degree and radian, that is a unit of angles. Okay. So in a circle, if you are looking in a circle, the circumference of a circle. What is a circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. This area, that is a circumference, that is 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r. That you know be knowing very well. Okay. And this is a radius of a circle, isn't it? This is a radius. Radius, that is r. R is a radius. Radius is r. You know very well. So 2 pi and r. What is the value of pi? Value of pi, you know very well. Okay. And it is r. R is a radius. If you are looking into a unit circle, okay? If you are looking into a unit circle, what is a unit circle? In a unit circle, the radius will be equal to 1. The radius is equal to 1. Radius is equal to 1 in a unit circle. In a unit circle, the radius will be equal to 1. So what will be the circumference of a unit circle? In a unit circle, if you are looking for the circumference, that is 2 pi into 1, isn't it? 2 pi into 1. That is 2 pi. That is the circumference of a unit circle. Unit circle means its radius is 1. Okay, that is clear. So 2 pi is the entire. So in a unit circle, in a circle, the circumference of that circle is the entire area is 2 pi r. This is the entire area. This is the entire area. That is 2 pi r. In the case of a unit circle, 2 pi. In the case of a unit circle, because r is 1, as r is 1, the circumference will be 2 pi, isn't it? The circumference will be 2 pi. So if you are looking, if you are looking 2 pi radian, 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian is the total angle of a circle. Total angle of a circle. Total angle of a circle will be equal to 2 pi radian, that is equal to 360 degree. So in a circle, we know very well, in a circle, the total angle is 360 degree. Total angle is 360 degree. So 2 pi radian, you can tell 2 pi radian is equal to 360 degree. So what will be pi radian? Pi radian will be equal to pi radian will be equal to 180 degree. Pi radian will be equal to 180 degree. So if you are looking for 1 degree, 1 degree is equal to 1 degree will be equal to pi divided by 1 degree will be equal to pi divided by 180. Pi divided by 180 radian. Pi divided by 180 radian. In the same manner, 1 radian will be equal to 180 divided by pi degree. So these are the two equations that we have made. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian, and 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. I'm writing that here once again, that we have made here two equations. 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180, pi divided by 180 radian. And 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree. So if they are giving degree. If they are giving degree, you can find out radian. And if they are giving you radian, you can find out degrees also. I hope you have noted on this. I am clearing the screen. Suppose if they have given 540 degree. So if the question is in this manner, convert into a radian. If the question is like this, convert into radian. If the question is like this, convert into radian. So how you can find out the answer for that question, convert into radian. For example, if the question is 540 degree, we have to convert 540 degree into radian. 540 degree, we have to convert the 540 degree into radian. So you know very well, 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree, and 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180, pi divided by 180 radian. Okay, keep this in mind. And how we can convert 540 degree into radian? 540 degree can be converted into radian by 540 into symbol 540 into pi divided by 540 into pi divided by 180. When we are dividing 540, the answer will be 540 pi divided by 180, right? 540 pi divided by 180. So you can cut a 0 on both sides and you will get 54 divided by 18. 54 divided by 18 will be 824, right? 824. So 3 will be here. So you can get 54 divided by 18 pi. That will be equal to 3 pi will be the answer. 3 pi will be the answer. So it is clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the same manner, if I am giving another question, by using the same formula, you can do the question, okay? So do very fast, okay? The question is 270 degree. 270 degrees of first question. Another question is 135 degree. 135 degree. Convert into radian. Come on. If you are converting 270 degree into radian, what will be the answer? And if you are converting 135 degree into radian, what will be the answer? That is a question here. You know very well, we are having two equations only, how to convert radian into degree and how to convert degree into radian. That is only our two questions. And the first question is 270 degree. When I am converting 270 degree into radian, I know what I have to do. I have to multiply 270 into pi divided by 180, isn't it? 270 into pi divided by 180. So that will be equal to 270 pi divided by 180. 270 pi divided by 180, isn't it? 270 pi divided by 180. I can cut this 0 on both sides, and I will be getting 27 divided by 18. 27 divided by 18 pi. Can I, is there is any number which is divisible by this 27 and 18? If you are looking for 3 will come in 27. 3 will come 9 times, right? 9 times. In 18, 3 will come. In 18, 3 will come 7, right? No. In 18, 3 will come 6, right? 6. So 9 by 6 by 9 by 6 by, you can again divide it by 3, right? So 3 by 2 pi will be the answer, isn't it? 3 by 2 pi is the radian of 270 degree. 270 degree can be converted into 270 degree is how much radian? That is 3 by 2 pi only. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So what is the answer for 135 degree? What is the answer for 135 degree? Now for this type of question, you have to take only 1 minute. Less than 1 minute, you have to find out the answer. For 135 degree?
So 0.75.
Tell me. Hello? I couldn't hear you.
0.75.
1 point?
0.75 pi.
0.75 pi. Okay, we can check. That is 135 into pi divided by 135 into pi divided by 180, right? So that is 135 pi divided by 180 degree. 135 pi divided by 180. Then you will be radian. You will be getting the value as you can divide it in this manner. 135, whether any number will go. What about 3? Whether 3 will go here?
Yes.
10, 10, it will be
4.
4 will go here. No, 4 will not.
5, sir. 5.
5 will go here.
5,
Okay.
sir.
5 will go here. Okay. 5 will be in 137. What will be the number of 5 in 10? That is 2. In 2 is balance 25. So how you'll be getting the answer? Okay, come on, tell me the answer.
Sir, 27 by 36.
27 divided by 36. Okay, good. Okay, good. 27 divided by 36, right? 27 divided by 36. That you can again, any number which is coming in both.
Third table.
What about 9? 9 will go. Yes, 9 will go here, right? 9 will go both. Okay. So it will be 3 divided by 4, right? 3 by 4 pi. 3 by 4 pi. Okay. That is as a student told what was it will be point something, right? 0.75 or something. But answer will be like this. They won't give you very tougher question to divide and all to use calculator and all. You can simply find out the answer. Whether it is clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone is having doubt? May I proceed? Okay, ready. So now we know very well about how to convert angle into radian. That is clear. Now we can look for another type of question. If the question is in this manner, suppose convert into degree. Okay. If the question is like this, convert into degree. Okay, here convert into degree. Okay. If you have to convert it into degree, suppose the question is 2 pi by 3 radian. This is a question. 2 pi by 3 radian. If it is a question, how you can find out the answer? We know very well how to convert a radian into what? Radian into degree. 1 radian is equal to pi divided 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree, isn't it? So how you can convert this 2 pi by 3 into 180? 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degree, right? So 2 pi by 3 into 180 divided by pi. So what you will be getting the answer? You can cut pi on both sides. We are cutting pi on both sides. So it will be equal to 2 into 180 divided by 3. So 2 into 180 is 360, right? It is 360. 360 divided by 3, that is equal to 120, isn't it? So 120 degree, that is a final answer. Well, that is clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have studied how to convert degree into radian and radian into degree. Okay, if the question is 3 pi, find out the answer. If the question is 3 pi, how you will get the answer? The question is 3 pi. It will be 3 pi into 180 divided by pi, isn't it? And you will cut pi on both the sides. You will get 3 into 180. 3 into 180 means 0 and 24 4 2 balance 540. This was the first question I have given. So we have converted degree into radian and radian into degree. Whether it is clear, I hope it is clear for you all. Okay. So now just note down the thing that I am telling to you. We have to by heart this table. a sine. Sine, the value of sine, the value of cos, and the value of tan for different degrees. Sine 30, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, and sine 90. Any message has came in chat box? No. Okay. Ready. So look for the value of sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. And sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2. And sine 90 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. In the case of cos, in the case of cos 0 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. Whereas cos 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. And cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is 0. In the case of tan, in the case of tan, that you may be knowing very well, how we have to find out the tan. Just tell me, in the first class we were discussed about sine, cos, and tan, isn't it? Tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta, isn't it? Okay. So we have to just divide the thing, sine theta or sine 0 divided by so sine 0 divided by cos 0, you will get the value of tan 0. So 0 divided by 1, you will be getting the value as 0. And what will be the value of tan 30? Tan 30, the value of tan 30 is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So we will cut 2 on both sides and you will be getting the answer as 1 by root 3. That is tan 30. What about tan 45? 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So we will cut root 2 on both sides and we will get 1 by 1. That is equal to 1. And what about tan 60? Tan 60's value is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So you can cut 2 on both sides and you will be getting the answer as 3. How I am cutting this, this is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. When I am dividing root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, that implies, what is its meaning? That is root 3 by 2 into 1 by root 3 by 2 into, when we are putting this upside, that will be 2 by 1. So you can cut this 2 and this 2. That is root 3 by 1. That is equal to root 3. In the case of sine 90, in the case of sine 90 and cos 90, when we are dividing 1 divided by 0, how many zeros are present in 1? Infinite numbers of 0, right? So that is infinity. So this is a value of different sine, the value in different degrees for sine, cos, and tan. So you have to by heart this, at any cost, you have to by heart this. With this, you can expect question in a part. Okay. This is the, just make this column and this rows and column and try to by heart the thing. Okay, ready. So we are moving towards the next thing. Can I clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? No, right? Okay.
No.
Now just look here. Based on this, if I am giving a question to you, suppose in this manner I am going here. Okay. And here you can see a circle. Okay, this is a circle. So in this side, in this side there is 4 centimeter. This side is 4 centimeter in length. And this side is 3 centimeter in length. This side is 3 centimeter in length. This is a triangle. This side is 4 centimeter in length and this side is 3 centimeter in length. The question towards us is, what is the area of the shaded circle? What is the area of the shaded circle? There is a circle, right? What is the area of the shaded circle? That is a question. When you are getting the question like this, what you have to find out, when we are looking from this, we can infer several things. Several things is very clear. Several things are very clear okay, just tell me, rather than the value 4 and 3, what value you can get from this question? By simply applying the logic or simply applying the things that we know already, what value we can obtain from this looking into the circle or looking into this one or looking into the triangle, what value you can get from this question? Tell me, anyone.
The circle 360 degree.
The value of circle is 360 degree. That you will get. Okay. What else you will get?
degree.
Tell me. Tell me. Come on. That's the answer. Hello? Hello? Come on. Who told that answer?
Amina, please.
Amina, please. What you told?
90 degree half circle.
No, I couldn't hear you.
Sir, 180 degrees on there.
180 degree is inside the circle. Okay. Okay. Half region contains 180 degree. Okay. What else? What else you can get? If I am asking, if I am telling you, we can simply find out the radius of the circle. We can find out the radius of the circle. Okay. First of all, what is the area of the shaded circle? That is a question, right? Okay. How we can find out the area of a circle? Area. That there is an equation for finding out the area of a circle, right? The equation for finding out area of circle, that you have studied from your lower classes. Area of circle is pi r square, isn't it? Area of circle is pi r square. That is the area of circle. Circumference of a circle, that we have already told. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Area of a circle is pi r square, and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Okay, this is now very well. Okay, now I'm telling the answer. Just look here. Area of the circle is pi r square. So the question is what the area? Question is area. So I have to find the pi r square here. So in order to do the pi r square, you know what I have to get? I have to get the value of r. What is r? R is the radius of the circle. R is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle means that is up to this region, right? That is a radius. It will be the radius, isn't it? This is a radius of the circle. If I am getting this radius, I can simply impart. If I am getting the value of this r, I can simply input that value of r into this equation. Okay, how I am going to find out the answer for that question? If I am looking into this triangle, there is a triangle, right? This triangle is obeying Pythagoras rule, isn't it? This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So I can easily find out what? I can easily find out the value of this side, isn't it? That we have already studied that the value of this area will be equal to you have studied now. We have already studied that in a circle, in a right angled triangle, as according to Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Base square plus altitude square, isn't it? Or otherwise, c square is equal to a square plus b square. So the value of this side will be equal to square root of 4 square plus 3 square, isn't it? Are you remembering the thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you will be getting the value of this side, you will be getting the value of this side as square root of, for example, if I am giving name for these portions, it is A, B, and C. Okay. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. So AC will be equal to square root of AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square. So that is equal to AB square means AB square 4 square, that is 16, plus BC square, BC is 3 square means 9. So that is equal to square root of 25, that is equal to 5. So we have got the value of this side as 5, isn't it? The value of AC is 5. The value of AC is 5. So if the AC is 5, look here very well. If the value of AC is 5, then this region, if I am drawing a line here at the center of the circle, if I am drawing a line at the center of the circle, this is also same as AC, right? This is also same as AC. So this is also 5, isn't it? This is also 5. So what will be the radius? Radius means that is this half, right? Radius is the half region, right? So the value of radius is 2.5. So I can simplify divided by 2.5. So I can simply invert the value here, pi into 2.5 the whole square. So the value will be equal to pi into 5 by 2 the whole square. That is equal to pi into 25 divided by 4. That is equal to 25 pi divided by 4. That will be the answer. Looking into the option, you have to find out the answer. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now, just look here. I'm writing a question, not on the question. I hope you are seeing the screen. A bird perched at the top. Whether I have given this question to you? Think of. At the top of a 12-meter height tree sees a centipede moving towards the base of the tree from a distance equal to twice the height of the tree. The bird flies along a straight line to catch the centipede. If both moves at the same speed, at what distance from the base of the tree will the centipede be picked up by the bird? That is a question. It was a previous CSIR question. So a bird that is perched at the top of a, sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, good. A bird perched at the top of a 12-meter high tree sees a centipede moving towards at the base of the tree from a distance equal to twice the height of the tree. The bird flies along a straight line to catch the centipede. If both moves at the same speed, at what distance from the base of the tree will the centipede be picked up by the bird? Okay. So when you are getting a question like this, can anyone explain the question in Tamil? Anyone, please? Come on. Amina. Amina?
Sir,
Okay, just explain this in Tamil.
ஒரு பறவை வந்து 12 சென்டிமீட்டர் ஹைட் உள்ள மேல 12 மீட்டர் ஹைட் உள்ள ட்ரீக்கு மேல நின்று சென்டிபீட் பாக்குது. அது வந்து அந்த பேஸ் ஆஃப் த ட்ரீல இருந்து ட்வைஸ் ஆஃப் த ஹைட். அதாவது அந்த ட்ரீல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஹைட் 12 மீட்டர்ல இருந்து கீழே வந்து பேஸ்ல வந்து அதாவது 12 அதாவது ஒரு பேர்டு வந்து 12 மீட்டர் ஹைட் உள்ள ட்ரீல இருக்குது சார். அதுக்கப்புறம் கீழே வந்து அது சென்டிமீட்டர் பாக்குது. அந்த சென்டிமீட்டரை வந்து அது ட்வைஸ் த ஹைட் ஆஃப் த ட்ரீ. அந்த 12 மீட்டர்ல இருந்து 2 மடங்கு இருக்குது கீழே இருக்கிற அந்த சென்டிமீட்டர்.
2 மடங்கு மீன்ஸ்
12 into 2 சார்.
So
அதுக்கப்புறம் பேர்டு வந்து என்ன பண்ண
12 into 2 is
24.
24. So that height of the tree is 12 meter.
12 meter.
Whereas the centipede is situated at a 24 meter distance from the base of the tree, isn't it?
Sir.
Okay. Then what happened?
பேர்ட் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன்ல வந்து அந்த இதை வந்து சென்டிபீடை வந்து பிடிக்க வருது. ரெண்டுமே சேம் ஸ்பீட்ல வந்து மூவ் பண்ணுது. அப்படி மூவ் பண்ணையில எந்த டிஸ்டன்ஸ்ல வந்து அது வந்து அந்த சென்டிபீடை வந்து பேர்ட் வந்து பிக் பண்ணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்டிருக்கு.
So I hope you are clear. So with the information that we know already, how we can find out the answer for this question? Okay, just look. There were a 12-meter height tree, right? This is that 12-meter height tree. At the top of the tree, there is a bird. Okay. So from the base of the tree, from the base of the tree, with there is a centipede. At the base of the tree, there is a centipede. The bird is looking at a centipede, right? That centipede is located 24 meters away from the 24 meters away from the tree. So here you can see the centipede. Centipede is here and bird is here. Centipede is here, bird is here. Okay. So what is happening, what is happening? What is happening here in this manner? So the centipede is moving. So centipede is moving here, right? The centipede is moving. Okay. As a centipede is moving, as a centipede is moving, if the bird is moving to this line, if the bird is moving to, suppose if the bird is moving to this line, okay, whether if the bird is moving in this line, look here, if the bird is moving in this line, if the bird is moving in this line where the centipede is located, whether it will be able to capture the centipede. The centipede is located here. If the bird is coming from this point towards this point in this straight line, whether it will be able to capture the centipede?
No, sir.
No, because
Centipede is moving towards
the centipede is moving towards the tree, right? This is a tree. Centipede is moving towards a tree. So here it is a tree. Here it is a centipede, and the centipede is moving towards a tree. So the bird has to calculate the movement of the centipede, and it will be moving in another line. It will be moving in this line, it will be moving in this line. Even if it is moving in this line only, it will be able to, if it is moving in this line, if it is moving in this line, then only it will be able to capture the centipede. because the centipede is moving towards the tree. So the bird has to move in this manner. The bird will be selecting this pathway or this way, then only it will be able to capture the centipede. Okay, so what is the question? If both moves at the same speed, the bird is moving at a speed and also the centipede is also moving at a speed, at what distance from the base of the tree, will the centipede be picked up by the bird? Okay, so the question, we got the question here. So, where is the answer for this question? Just tell me. I'm marking 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Which is the answer for this question? Come on. At what distance from the base of the tree will the centipede be picked up by the bird? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Now I have marked here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Which is answer? Whether it is 1, whether it is 2, whether it is 3, whether it is 4, or whether it is 5. Come on. Which is answer? Come on.
The 2.
2 is the answer. 2 is the answer, isn't it? 2 is the answer. So the bird is coming in this way, and the centipede is coming in this way. At this particular point, the bird got the centipede. The bird got his prey. The bird has got his prey. Centipede has been captured at this particular point. So from the base of the tree, it will be the answer. 2 is the answer. So the value of 2 we can use. Oh, everything has gone. So the value of 2 that we have to find out. How we are going to find out the value of 2? That is here. So I'm going to find out the value of this particular region. Okay, so we can check how we can find out the value of that area. Okay, ready. So from this, can we anything can be anything other than this 12 and 24? Can we get any other data from this? Based on our previous knowledge, the value of this entire region is 24 and the value of this region is 12. Anything can be drawn from this, or anything can, what is your inference? Can we get any other clues from this diagram? Come on, first.
Pythagoras theorem.
So here it is a triangle and this angle is 90 degree, right? This angle is 90 degree. So with this 90, what we can obtain? With this 90 we can obtain. With 90 we can obtain. What we can obtain? Come on.
Hypotenuse square is equal to the
that's
sum
okay.
of
That's
the
okay. Which region I can find out? Whether it is a brown line or whether it is a red line. Which can I find out?
Red line, sir.
Okay.
brown.
Suppose okay. Suppose this region, okay. Or we can look into this equation easily. So this is 24. This is 24, right? So if I am taking this is the way through which the bird is moving. This is the way through which the bird is moving. And at this particular point, it is got captured, right? This particular point, it is got captured. And Okay, just think, any idea? Are you getting any idea from the thing? I'm also thinking through which way we can find out the answer for this. Okay, observe carefully. Any idea that you are getting? Tell me. This is 24 meters. Is
Sir,
the entire
12.
area? We can just give names first, right? Then it will be very easy for you and us to. Here, this point is A. Okay, this point is B. This point is C. This point is D. Okay. Now it is very easy to tell about. This is BD. This is AD. This is CD. This is BC, and this is AB. Okay. Come on. Options are also available for this question. The first option is 16 meter. Second option is 9 meter. Third option is 12 meter. Fourth option is 14 meter. Okay.
Sir,
Ah,
C.
come on. C.
Yeah.
C is
12,
answer.
sir. Option C.
12 is answer.
Yes, sir.
How you got the answer?
Huh?
How
What,
you
sir?
got the answer?
Sir, with the question is saying the
Ah,
bird is 12 meters height. The
okay.
centipede is 24 meters away from the tree, which is
Okay.
moving towards the tree.
Okay.
So the bird and the centipede are moving the same speed.
Okay.
So when the bird 12 meters அவங்க இது பண்ணனும்னா 12 meters கிட்ட வரும்போது இது 12 minus ஆச்சுன்னா they will meet at 12 only, no sir?
Oh, we can
Because
tell
they
like
both
that.
are because they both are moving the same speed.
The bird is moving at the same speed, and the centipede is also moving at the same speed.
Same speed, yes
But
sir.
there isn't any clue that they are meeting at 12 meters. Is there any clue? No clue is there. They are moving at the same speed.
Yes
They
sir.
are moving at the same speed. Yeah. They are moving at the same speed, right? So
Yes sir.
why can't we think about like this? Okay. As they are moving at the same speed, as they are moving in the same speed. So the AB and BD will be equal. The AB and BD will be equal because the centipede, the time taken for centipede to move from A to B will be the same. That time taken for the bird to travel from the top of the tree to at the base, because they are moving at the same speed. That makes sense. So when they are moving at the same speed, we can't tell like that they are meeting at 12 meters. We can take this as X. A to B is X. And B to D will be also X. Okay. B to D will be also X. So now look. Okay. So if A to B is X, A to B is X, then we have to find out the BC, right? BC will be 24 minus X. BC will be 24 minus X. BC is 24 minus X, and this is 12, and this is X. We have to find out the value of 24 minus X. So for that, we have to find out the value of X. If you are getting the value of X, we can we can subtract that from 24, and we will get the value of BC. As there is a Pythagoras triangle here, so the value of X square, hypotenuse square, X square is equal to 12 square plus 12 square plus 12 square plus 24 minus X the whole square, isn't it? Okay. So X square is equal to 12 square is 144, and 24 minus X whole square. How to find out the value of 24 minus X whole square? That is A minus B the whole square, right? A minus B the whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So we can invert, that is 24 square. 24 square, 24 square, 24 into 24, that will be 24 into 24, 4, 4, 6, 2, 5, 76. 576 minus x square, that is 2ab next, 2 into 24, that is 48x, 48x plus b square, that is x square. Okay, ready. So x square is equal to 144 plus 576, that is 0. 7 plus 4, that one is 2. 720. 720 minus 48x plus x square. Okay. So 720 is equal to, we can move this to the 48 x square and x square. X square, this x square is coming here, that is minus x square. X square minus x square plus 48x, isn't it? Okay. So 720 is equal to 48x. So x will be equal to 720 divided by 48. 720 divided by 48, 8. 720 divided by 48 will 720 divided by 48. If we are dividing it by 2, it will be coming as 48. In 70 to 48 is 1, right? 48 is 1 in 72. The balance will be 15. 15. X is equal to 15. You got the value of x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. So what you have to find out? The value of BC is equal to 24 minus x. That is 24 minus 15. So 9 is the answer. 9 meters. Whether it is clear? Hello?
Sir.
Come on. It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope it is clear for all.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am clearing this one. 9 is the answer for that question. So if any question like this is coming, in some area we have to imply, this simple point only. That is, they are moving at the same speed. From that only we could arrive in this answer. Okay. That is clear. Then what else we can discuss in today's class? Okay. If you are given with a number, okay. If you are giving a number, if they are giving a number to you, and if they are asking, for example, 726, okay, or 720, or 700. In this manner, they are giving some numbers, and they are asking by which number we can completely divide. By which number we can completely divide these numbers? If they are asking question like that, keep in mind these points. If the unit digit is 0 or 2, if the unit digit is 0 or 2, that number will be completely divisible by 2. That will be divisible by 2. So in these two numbers, 720 and 700, that is completely divisible by 2. So if the unit digit is 0 or 2, you can divide it by 2. Okay. Or if the unit digit is 0 or 5, if the unit digit is 0 or 5, it will be no doubt at all, that will be divisible by 5. That will be divisible by 5. Then if the sum of the digits is a multiple of, if the sum of a digit is a multiple of 3. Sum of a digit is a multiple of 3. That means if it is 18 is a number, okay. Sum of the digit means 1 plus 8. That is equal to 9. That is a multiple of 3, right? 3 into 3 is 9. So if in a number, if the sum of the digit is multiple of 3, that will be divisible by, divisible by 3. Okay. If the question is in this manner, that is 7 not 2. 7 not 2. Okay. 7 not 2. From this, which numbers can divide the 7 not 2 completely without anything left? 7 not 2. From this, this is a case of 2, this is a case of 5, and this is a case of 3. Tell me, 7 not 2 can be completely divided by?
2 and 3. 2,
7 not 2 can be completely divided by 2, and it can be completely divided by 3 because 7 plus 0 plus 2 is equal to 9, isn't it? So 9 is the multiple of 3. Okay. So if the sum of the digit is, if the sum of the digits, if the sum of the digits is 9, if the sum of the digits is 9, then it will be a multiple of, it will be a multiple of 9. It will be a multiple of 9. Okay. So in this manner, based on this, you can expect questions. Okay. If I am giving a question here, based on the thing, you have to find out the answer. Okay. Which is the odd and out based on a divisibility test? 154, 286, 363, 474, 572, 682. Which is the odd one out based on the divisibility test? Find out the answer. I'll give you 5 minutes, okay? Taking a small break. I will go drink some water and come. You have to find out the answer. Okay. Okay, ready, I'm back. You got the answer?
474, sir.
474. Because? What is the reason?
Sir, அதோட sum பண்ணா it gives 15. Other மிச்சம்லாம் வந்துட்டு is divisible by 2 with இது வந்து divisible by 2 வரல. So I'm telling.
474 is not divisible by 2.
Sir, totala பார்த்தா 474 is divisible, sir. அது 4 plus 7 plus 4 அப்படி பண்ணா வரல, sir.
Who told you to do like that? Huh? Who is this?
Sir.
Darshini.
Yes, sir.
Who told you to add all the sum of digits? That was applicable in the case of 9 and 3, right?
Oh, okay, sir.
Isn't it?
Okay, sir.
In the case of 3, if the sum is a multiple of 3, that is divisible by 3. In the case of 9, if the sum is 9, then it is divisible by 9. That is not applicable in the case of 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the answer? Anyone else? Hello, hello. Huh? Check for
Sir,
all the
474.
474.
Because all the numbers are divisible by 11,
All the numbers are divisible by 11.
except the percent, I think.
For 11, there is an idea, okay? For 11, if you are adding this sum, okay? For example, 572. If you're taking 572, just add the first digit and last digit, 5 plus 2. Then subtract that number from the middle number, that is 7 minus 7. If it is equal, that is equal to 0. If it is 0, if it is 0 or 11, then it will be a multiple of 11. So in the case of we can check for all the case. 682. First one, we can check for the first one. 154. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So it is divisible by 11. 286. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. That is divisible by 11. 363. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. That is divisible by 11. 474 is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. It is not divisible by 11. 572. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. 682. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So only 474, you are getting the remnant as 1. So it is not divisible by 11. So we have got the ideas for 2. We have got the ideas for 3. We have got the ideas for 5. We have got the ideas for 9. And we have got the ideas for 11. So you can expect the questions which is based on these 5 numbers: 2, 3, 5, 9, and 11. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt? So we are moving forward, proceeding further. What else we can discuss? Okay, we can discuss about polygons also. Okay. Look in the case of polygons. Okay, polygons. What is a polygon? Polygon is a closed structure. Polygon is a closed structure with finite number of sides. That is a polygon. Okay. So polygon with the minimum number of minimum number of side will be minimum number of sides. Minimum number of sides, that will be a triangle. Triangle is a polygon with the minimum number of sides. Only 3 sides are there. Okay. So in a triangle, if you are looking in a triangle, side n is equal to 3. Okay. So in a rectangle, if you are looking in the case of a rectangle, n is equal to 4. If you are looking in the case of a pentagon, pentagon will be having 5 sides. Triangle is in this manner. This is triangle. This is rectangle. Pentagon will be in this manner. This is pentagon with the 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentagon n will be equal to 5. Okay. In a triangle, the total angle is 180 degree, right? Total angle is 180 degree. In a rectangle, total angle will be, rectangle contain 2 triangles. So it contains 180 into 180. 180 plus 180. That is 360 degrees angle in a rectangle. In a polygon, it will be 540 degree. Total angle will be 540 degree. So I'm writing 180 as 1 into 180 degree. 180 degree. I am writing 360 as 2 into 180 degree. Then I'm writing 540 as 3 into 180 degree. Okay. So this can I'm again writing it as 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay. This I am writing like 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. This is I am writing like 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, ready. So this is n. This is at n. This is n. Here it is at n. This is n. This is at n. So I can make an equation from this. Total angle of a polygon. Total angle of a polygon with n number of sides. With n number of sides. With the n number of sides will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Was this clear? N minus 2 into 180 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, first two statement என்னன்ட்டு புரியல sir.
First two statement means?
Sir, polygon is equal to closed structures and
This is a line. This is another line. This is another line. Now it is closed, right? Whether it is closed?
yes.
It is open, right? It is open, right?
Yes.
This is open. And this one is closed, isn't it? This is open and this is closed. So polygon is a closed structure with finite number of sides. That will be having a particular number of sides. This structure cannot be called as a polygon because it is open. This structure cannot be called as a polygon because it is open. Whereas in this case, in this case, that is closed. What about a circle? Whether it is a polygon?
Yes, sir.
Whether it is a polygon, circle? What is the number of sides here? What is the number of sides? Number of sides. Here in the case of triangle, 1, 2, 3. In the case of circle, what is the number of sides?
0, sir.
Actually, it is not 0. How a circle is made, Circle is made with a number of sides. Circle is made with a number of sides. When you are zooming this region, you can see it will be containing a number of sides in this manner. Are you clear? So the circle, as a circle is containing infinite numbers. Circle is containing infinite number of sides. Infinite number of sides are present in a circle. As a circle is containing infinite side of number, it is not a polygon. Not a polygon. What is the peculiarity of a polygon? Polygon should contain finite number of sides. It should be countable. Countable number of sides should be there in the case of a polygon. So polygon is a closed structure with a finite number of sides. So the polygon with the minimum number of sides will be, that must be a triangle. Because with the one line, we cannot form a polygon. With the 2 line also, you can't form a polygon. With the 3 lines, minimum there should be 3 lines. Then only you can form a polygon, isn't it? 3 lines must be there. Then only the polygon will be completed. So polygon with the minimum number of sides is a triangle. So that is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, all polygons triangle சொல்ல முடியும்.
No, here if you are looking here, you know, this polygon. In this polygon, we are having 4 sides. If there is 4 sides, that is a rectangle. In this case, you know, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. That is a pentagon. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is heptagon. Then octagon. In that manner, it will proceed. You got that point?
Okay, sir.
Okay. If in a triangle, if all the sides are equal, in a triangle, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. If all the sides are having equal length, you can call it as equilateral triangle. You can call it as equilateral triangle. If all the sides are equal, you can call it as equilateral triangle. If 2 sides are equal, if 2 sides are equal, 2 sides are equal, if 2 sides are equal, you can call it as isosceles triangle. You can call it as isosceles triangle. If in a square, all the 4 sides are equal, if all the 4 sides are equal, you can call it as a square. You can call it as a square. In a rectangle, if in a triangle, if in the case of a triangle, we have told isosceles triangle is there. And in the case of a square, there is, in the case of a rectangle, the case of a rectangle, the rectangle is a polygon with the 4 sides. If 4 sides are equal, you can call it as a square. If all the sides in a polygon, all the sides in a polygon are equal. All the sides in a polygon are equal. You can call it as regular polygon. You can call it as regular polygon. Can call it as regular polygon. For example, if the 5 sides are regular, you can call it as a regular pentagon. That is regular pentagon. If 6 sides are regular, 6 sides are equal, you can call it as a regular, hexagon. That is regular hexagon. In this manner, you can name regular polygons. Okay. What will be one angle of a regular polygon? One angle of a regular polygon. We know what is the angle of a polygon is equal to angle that we have already studied, that is n minus 2 into 180, right? N is the number of sides. What will be the angle of a regular polygon? You know, one angle of a regular polygon, you can easily find out that will be n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. For example, in the case of a triangle, okay, in the case of a triangle, if all the sides are equal, in this triangle, the triangle is equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle. In the case of equilateral triangle, if we are applying this value, you know, 3 is that side. So 3 minus 2 into 180 divided by 3. That is equal to 1 into 180 divided by 3. That is equal to 60. So if a triangle is equilateral triangle, all the angles will be 60 degree. All the angles will be 60 degree. Whether it is clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So find out the answer for a square. For a square, 4 sides are equal. 4 sides are there. A, B, C, D. 4 sides are equal. What will be the angle? One angle in a square. One angle in a square. What will be one angle in a square? Find out the answer. Equation is n minus 2 into.
120, sir.
How it is 120, girl? N minus 2 into 180 divided by n, right?
Sir, 90.
Yes, 90 is the answer. N is 4. 4 minus 2 into 180 divided by 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180, 360 divided by 4. 360 divided by 4, that will be equal to 90 degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who told 120? Who has told 120?
Yes, Sujit Singh, sir.
Okay, so you got the answer now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the thing is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here is the last question for today's class. I want Sudhiti to tell the answer. Which of the following is odd one out? Odd one out. Which of the following is odd one out? First one, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is first one. Second one is square. Square is second one. Square. Third one is regular hexagon. Regular hexagon is the fourth one. A rectangle is the last one. Which one is odd one out? Which one is odd one out? Find out the answer.
Sir, regular hexagon.
Hello? Sudhiti?
Sir,
Okay, tell me the answer.
sir, is it regular hexagon?
What is the reason for that?
So 1 second, sir.
Okay.
I
Anyone else?
wrongly calculated.
Anyone else?
Sir, rectangle divided by 90 degrees.
Rectangle, sir.
Rectangle. What is the reason for that?
Sir, other than that, everyone is regular polygon.
other than
Rectangle. Everyone is a regular polygon. Not sure.
who is telling the answer?
Sir, other divided by answer 90
Who
degree.
was telling the answer that previously? Who was telling the answer?
Shalini.
My dear
Not sure.
Shalini. Hello, Shalini.
Sir,
Do you think that such a question will be asked to you during CSIR examination?
sir.
Huh? They are giving 2, 4, 5, and 6, and the answer is 5 because others are divisible by 2. Are you expecting a question like that? Shalini?
That just a guess, sir.
No, it will not be that much simple. Okay. It is based on the angles only. Okay. Kirti was telling something.
Sir, ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ 90 ഡിഗ്രി കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്.
And the answer is?
Hmm.
Answer is?
Rectangle.
Answer is rectangle.
Yes, sir.
What is angle in isosceles triangle?
Isosceles 2 minus 2. 180 divided by 2, 90 degree കിട്ടി, sir.
2.
Yes, sir.
What is 2? What is 2 there? What is 2 there? 2 means?
Right.
Huh? Kirti. Hello, Kirti.
Sir.
What is 2? 2 minus 2
No,
means?
sir. 0.
Huh?
Illa, sir. 3, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay. So now tell me the answer.
Isosceles, sir.
Isosceles is the answer.
Yes.
Isosceles triangle is
ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം
answer.
sir 90 degree
In all
കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്.
others, if you're looking, you will get 90 degree. In a square, this is square. This is a square. Okay. In a square, we know very well that already we have find out in a square, the angle will be 90 degree. In a square, the angle is 90 degree. In regular hexagon, how we can find the answer in regular hexagon? Hexagon means it is having 6 sides, right? So 6 minus 2 into 180 divided by 6. So the answer will be 6 minus 2 means 4. 4 into 180 divided by 4 into 180. 4 into 180 divided by 6 will be the answer. Okay. What we can cut here? We can cut 2 and 4. So here can give 2 here. 2 into 180 divided by 3 will be the answer. That is 360 divided by 3. So you'll be getting 90 as the answer. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. In the case of rectangle also, no doubt at all. From the figure itself, it is clear. It is 90 degree. It is a rectangle. So 90 degree. It is a square. Square means 4 sides will be equal. Whereas in the case of rectangle, this A and B and this C and D will be equal. A and B will be equal. C and D will be equal in rectangle. So in the case of isosceles triangle, if you are looking in the case of isosceles triangle, 3 minus 2 into 180 divided by 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180 divided by 3. You will be getting 60 as the answer. So, sorry. No, yes. Here it is 60 is the answer. 180 divided by 3, 60 degrees answer. So here it is 90. Here it is also 90. Here it is also 90. Here it is 60. So the answer is isosceles triangle. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is for today. I hope you are with the... yes, ask me.
Regular hexane another time explain பண்ணுங்க sir.
This is regular
How
hexagon.
is it 90?
This is regular hexagon. All these sides are equal. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is a regular hexagon. We know how to find out the angle. To find out the angle, we have the equation n minus 2 into 180 divided by n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. Here 6 sides are there. So 6 minus 2 into 180 divided by 6. 6 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180. sorry, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 into 180 divided by 6, isn't it? So 4 into 180, simply if you are multiplying 4 into 180, you will get a value. 4 into 180 will be 720, isn't it? It will be 720. It will be 720. 2 into 180 is 360. 4 into 180 will be 720. 720 divided by 6. 720 divided by 6, the answer will be 90 degree. Clear? Eleversi?
Sir,
Ah,
for me also the answer is coming as 120 only, sir.
120.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
எனக்கு
Sir,
120 divided by 6 120 தானேங்க sir.
1 second, 1 second. Whether I have made any mistake here? 1 second, I have to check. 4 into 180. 4
Sir,
into
first
180.
சொன்ன மாதிரி நீங்க 360 divided by 3 நாலும் 120 தான் sir வரும்.
Ah, yes. There I have made a mistake. Sorry, that's my mistake. Let me check. This is 6, right? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Regular hexagon, right? 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 into 180 divided by 6. This is 720. Ah, yes, that's a mistake here. 720 divided by 6 will be equal to 1. 6 is here. Yes, 2 is here. 2 is, yes, 120 is the answer here, right? So we cannot find out the answer from this, right? In regular hexagon, we won't get 90 as the answer. We're dividing this into 3 triangles. 3 and 4 triangles will be coming here, right? 4 triangles will be here. So this is 180. This is 180. This is 180. This is also 180. So 4 into 180. So the total angle will be 4 into 180. 180 into 4. 4, 0. 24. Is balance. Sorry. 32. 32, 3 is
32.
balance. And 3 is here. 1 into 4, 4. That is 720. So 720 divided by 6, that is 120. So we cannot take a regular hexagon, right? A regular hexagon will not come there. Yes. So in that case, we cannot find any answer for that. What were the questions? Isosceles triangle were there. Isosceles triangle. There it was 60. Okay. Then square was there. In the case of square, that was 90. And we were having a rectangle. In the case of rectangle, that is 90. Whereas in the case of regular hexagon, we won't get the answer, right? We won't get the answer. It will be 120. Okay. So I hope there may be some mistake in the question. Otherwise, we will get the answer. Yes. It is 120. It is 120 only. Maybe any mistake in this question. I will rectify the question. Okay. I will check the question whether it was regular hexagon or not. Okay. I will check the question. If it is a regular, any other. What about the case of a regular pentagon? Just check for a regular pentagon. Just check for a regular pentagon. What is angle? Isosceles triangle. First option is isosceles triangle. Second option is square. Third option is rectangle. Fourth option is pentagon. Just check for pentagon. What is answer? Regular pentagon.
Sir, 90.
Whether it is 90?
Yes,
5
sir.
minus
5
2
minus
into
3.
190 divided by 5, right? That is 3 into 190 divided by 5, right? So 3 into 180 means? What is the answer?
108, sir.
1?
Not 8.
3 into 180.
540, sir.
540 divided by 5. What is the answer?
108.
108.
108.
108. Okay. So pentagon is also not correct for that, right? Pentagon is also not correct for that. Okay. So I don't know what happened. Okay. It is written like this only: isosceles, square, rectangle, and regular hexagon. Anyhow, the thing is clear for you, right? How to find out the angles and all. You don't got any answer for this question.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes. Come on.
Sir.
Who is telling something?
Isosceles two sides தானே சார் ஈக்குவல், மற்ற எல்லாத்துலயுமே எல்லா சைஸும் ஈக்குவல்னு பார்த்தோம்னா ஆன்சர் வருமா?
Based on the sides, right? If based on the sides only, based on the sides, you can tell isosceles triangle, but they won't simply ask a question like that, okay? But the answer for this question is isosceles triangle. I thought it may be based on the angle. I don't know whether I will just check the previous question bank and I will check, okay, what was. I hope they won't ask like a simple question like based on the sides and all. No, we can't tell like that. In rectangle also, all the sides are not equal. In rectangle also, in rectangle also, all the sides are not equal, right? In square and regular hexagons only, both the sides are all the sides are equal. In isosceles, two sides are only equal. Whereas in the case of what? Square, two sides are only equal, isn't it? Okay. So in that manner also we can find out. Anyhow, for this question, I will tell the explanation for this question in next class. Okay. Ready. Okay, I hope you have got how to do the questions in today's class. We have discussed several things like circle, angle, how to find out degree from radian, how to find out radian from degree, and the values of sine, cos, tan, everything is by hearted. And after that, we have done some problems based on that. And even regarding the numbers, which is divisible by which and which numbers, those things are also discussed. And at the end, regarding the polygons, I hope the things are clear. Is everything is clear? Is there is any doubt remains?
No, sir.
Okay. So let me stop the recording first.